Finding ways to optimize small spaces is a growing area of interest for designers. Whatever your living situation, there are plenty of ideas to make your living space feel bigger. Here are some of the best home design ideas for small spaces.
Space-saving bed. This pull-down bed with an integrated pull-out work desk is an ideal solution for a children's room. When the bed is closed, it gives your children more space for playing, studying, inviting friends, and more. Folding sewing dresser. If your sewing space is too small to accommodate a sewing table, then the folding sewing dresser may be ideal for your needs. It features a very modern and sleek design, as well as it comes integrated with an ironing board and drawers for storing the accessories you like to keep close at hand. Therefore, it offers the best convenience and plenty of working space for the user. Understairs storage. This genius understair storage idea will give you the gift of space. You might not realize how great staircase ideas can be until you see some clever uses and realize their potential. For instance, if you need more space in your tiny home to store craft supplies, sports equipment, kitchenware, and more, you can turn the room under the stairs into an area fit for all your pantry organization ideas. Ortensia corner sofa. The Ortensia corner sofa is a unique piece of furniture. Thanks to the adjustable headrests and armrests, it can completely change its design and at the same time adapt to your comfort. This piece of furniture offers several features, including a wide ottoman that will create a comfortable place to sit, a comfy adjustable low backrest, and a storage chase. Olissys Optimal Living Space Systems. The Olissys Living can turn any space into a functional multi-purpose room. It makes custom-made beds that can be stored vertically or horizontally inside the wall when not needed, saving you some valuable space. And since there isn't always enough space for things, the Olissys system provides shelf space where you can store your valuable and favorite items, from bed sheets and clothes to souvenirs and books. Störmer kitchen. If you lack kitchen storage space and organization, it's time to deck out cabinets and drawers with some space-saving solutions. For instance, installing pull-out cabinets and pantries is an ideal solution to organize your kitchen, as well as it saves you a lot of space. Also, climber wall units are perfect for creating special focus areas in your kitchen. Under-sink storage shelf. Another clever way to maximize your kitchen or bathroom storage is by utilizing the area under your sink. Investing in a few under-sink organizers will help you organize and save some space for your kitchen and bathroom. Folding tables with benches. Folding tables are convenient to store and save more space when not in use. In that respect, this foldable table fits perfectly on the wall when not in use, as well as it turns into a fine dining table with two benches when you need it. Multifunctional folding coffee table. The multifunctional coffee table with storage is one of the means to meet your needs in small spaces. It has a simple shape with a chic design, so it can be perfectly compatible with your room style and decor. It also has hidden storage at the bottom, so you can easily store the items you need. Transformable sofa bench. With one movement, the sofa turns into 2 benches and a table, giving you a convenient place for rest, meals, and friendly gatherings. This sofa bench offers a comfortable sitting for 6 adults and a storage space under the seat to save some space. Loft beds. The loft beds are an excellent space-saving option for a kid's room. For example, this loft bed comes with everything your child needs: a wardrobe and a study desk. MDM split moving doors. The MDM split is a motorized moving door mechanism. It is designed to be completely concealed within the wall or ceiling to give a perfect finish with a soft close and open feature, creating flawless and smooth motion. Spaceman Z Kids Bunk Bed. This bunk bed is perfectly suitable for a long and narrow bedroom. It maximizes the use of vertical space to fit 2 beds and wardrobes.